Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology, YouTube channel, topic of space technology. News' Planet and Quantum Systems unite satellite and drone capabilities in new European ISR network. Planet Labs GmbH and Quantum Systems have announced a partnership to integrate satellite and drone surveillance within the Mosaic UXS mission software. The collaboration aims to merge Planet's wide-area orbital monitoring with Quantum Systems' tactical unmanned reconnaissance to create a seamless tip-and-cue intelligence workflow. According to the companies, the combined system is designed to give defense and security users faster, more precise situational awareness from orbit to operator. By linking automated satellite-based change detection with targeted deployments of multi-sensor drones, the partners aim to support quicker decision cycles and improve resource efficiency. This strategic partnership is a significant step toward delivering actionable, near-real-time intelligence to the defense community spanning the space and unmanned aerial vehicle domains, driven by European innovation, said Charlie Candy, Chief Revenue Officer at Planet. By collaborating to bring this joint multi-industry solution concept to market, we are exploring a path to move beyond data delivery and provide concrete operational value. Both Planet and Quantum Systems have already been critical supporters of Ukraine's defense efforts. In creating this partnership, we can maximize impact and help ensure other European nations have the most efficient tools to aid in securing peace and stability across the region. Planet's monitoring and analytics will identify points of interest, providing the tip that prompts a focused cue through Quantum Systems' Mosaic UXS software. This process assigns an unmanned vehicle to investigate with high-detail aerial sensors, reducing analyst burden and improving operational precision. Florian Siebel, co-founder and company CEO at Quantum Systems, said, "Our collaboration with Planet will provide our operators with real-time maps from orbit. The integration of Earth observation data into our Mosaic UXS mission software starts a new chapter for ISR missions. This enables operators to plan missions more precisely, make decisions faster, and increase the safety of their operations. This partnership underscores how our complementary technologies reinforce each other and represents our shared commitment to European security and technological sovereignty." Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.